Hey guys, today we're going to talk about trading and in my opinion, best trading platform called KCEX. I use this platform because it really simplifies trading. It has zero fees. It rewards new users if you use my link in description. And finally, it doesn't require KYC, so you can use this exchange all over the world. So as usual, in this video, I'm going to show you how the exchange works, how do I use it, and of course, all the different benefits, and why, if you're watching this video, you should also start using KCEX. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Always do your research, and let's check out today's exchange. Today, we are talking about a centralized exchange, which is called KCEX. It's actually a really similar project to the Bybit, Binance, but it has some major benefits and differences. For example, zero trading fees, which is really important if you plan to buy crypto, sell crypto, or if you plan to do day trading, because all of these transactions will cost you lots of money on other exchanges. And you can see on the main page, they are offering lowest trading fees. And by the way, if you click right here, surprise rate of zero. And you can see for the spot trading, they take zero. The only fee they're taking is actually for the futures and for the takers fee, which is 0.01. And from my experience, this is the best offer, the cheapest offer in the industry if you plan to use centralized exchange. Again, big benefit because this saves you money. Next up, you jump into the main page. We also have lots of new user rewards. So if you click right here, you can see you can do simple tasks and actually get some free cash just by creating an account and doing simple tasks. Again, it's really great because now you're getting free money and also you can use that free money to trade with zero fees. Again, really cool. If you jump in back to the main page, we also have the community, which is also really safe and trusted exchange. It's one of the biggest exchanges in the world. And also they have hundreds, almost thousands of different tokens listed on this exchange. So if you want to buy or sell anything, it's going to be ready right here. And also guys, as I mentioned, if you use my link, you're always getting the biggest bonus, the best deal, and of course the best fees. Again, link in the description. If you scroll down, you get more information about the actual exchange. Again, it's a really safe exchange, it's a trusted exchange. They also have apps for the iOS and for Android, so for basically Samsung and Apple devices, so you can use it on the go. And if you jump into actual account, for example, I'm personally using this account, you can see how it looks when you sign up. You have only 5 buttons, which really simplifies your trading journey. Because if you take a look, for example, Bybit, they have hundreds of different buttons, Web3 launchpads, and it actually makes it a bit difficult to use because they're adding more and more stuff. And sometimes the basics get forgotten and it's actually getting more and more hard to use. So for example, if you're new, if you're a beginner, I recommend you strongly to use KCEX because of the simplicity, because they 100% streamline the trading experience. So first of all, of course, you can deposit the money. It's really easy. Just select what kind of coins, for example, USDT, what chain, for example, Solana, and just deposit money to this wallet, just like any other crypto exchange. Next up, we have the market. So basically, you can find all the different tokens, you can filter them, and you can do spot trading. So basically, buying on the spot, buying at the market price. So you can see right now, we have example with Bitcoin, USDT. We have all the different pairs. You can search for any pairs, for example, Solana USDT. We get the chart. Again, really simple. Again, really standard with other centralized exchanges, except it's really streamlined. We have only the necessary buttons to actually start trading. So again, you can buy it, you can sell it, you can do limit orders. For example, if you buy market, you're buying at a market price. If you're using limit, you can set limits at what exchange will open positions. For example, you can open limit order, for example, at this price. So if you want right here, limit order at 173, and KCEX Exchange will buy Solana if it drops to this price, and you can put how much do you want to buy it. And again, you can see it right now, how easy it is to use because we only have the necessary and important buttons to actually start trading. We don't have any fluff, which actually can distract you. Or if you're a new trader, you can actually even make mistakes because you have too many options. Next up, we have futures. Basically, this lets you trade money to make bigger trades. For example, we have again BTC USDT pair, and this is where the leverage comes in. For example, right now we have 10x, which means we are borrowing 10x. And if you put in $10 and if you're using 10x leverage, you're actually opening $100 position because you just 10x'd your position. But also same goes for losing money. You will lose your money 10 times faster if you are wrong about your trade. And you can actually trade up to 125x leverage. I actually would not recommend you going above 10 if you're a beginner, and I think 20 if you're a professional, because again, this is more dangerous and more risky, and you can lose your money faster, but also can make money faster. So guys, again, not financial advice, just showing you the features. And we have, again, all the features like opening longs, opening shorts. For example, you can bet that Bitcoin will go down. And again, as I mentioned, we can open longs, meaning we think the token will go up. We can open shorts if we think the token will go down. And as usual, we have the stop losses and we have the take profits. And lastly, we have event calendar because we have the new user rewards, as I mentioned. Right now, if you use my link in description, and if you do simple tasks, you're getting $2, $2, $5, $1, and they have many different offers, and you can actually make some free money if you don't have a big budget. Next up, we have deposits for listings, and we have futures trading competition. So if you actually like trading and if you want to compete, you can actually start trading futures and get even more rewards if you're a successful trader.